Deep in the heart of Vietnam lies a secret. Hidden beneath towering limestone peaks, a world untouched awaits. This is Son Doong, the largest cave on Earth. Its name, aptly meaning mountain river cave, hints at the wonders within. Discovered in 1991 by a local farmer, Son Doong remained a secret to the outside world for almost 2 decades. It wasn't until 2009, when a group of British explorers ventured into its depths, that the true magnitude of Son Doong was revealed. The cave is so large, it could house an entire New York City block, skyscrapers and all. Imagine, a space so vast that its own weather system exists, with clouds forming beneath the Earth's surface. Son Doong is not just a cave, it's a world of its own. The air inside Son Doong is thick with humidity. It hangs heavy as you descend, a constant reminder of the isolated world you are entering. Sunlight struggles to penetrate the depths, painting the massive stalagmites and stalactites in ethereal hues. The sheer scale of the cave is awe-inspiring. Walk for hours through its chambers, each one larger than the last. Listen to the echoes of your footsteps disappear into the darkness. You might even witness the formation of clouds, a microclimate unique to Son Doong. It's a surreal experience, a reminder of the power and mystery of the natural world. Emerging from the darkness, you stumble upon an unbelievable sight. A lush rainforest thrives within the cave, a testament to the life-giving power of light and water. This is no ordinary forest. Sunlight streams through a collapsed ceiling section, illuminating a vibrant ecosystem. Towering trees stretch towards the light, their canopies home to a variety of creatures. A turquoise river carves its way through the heart of the forest, its clear waters reflecting the emerald green of the canopy above. This is a place where the boundaries between the surface and the underworld blur, a testament to nature's boundless capacity for wonder. Son Doong is a haven for a diverse range of species, some found nowhere else on Earth. Blind fish, white as snow, navigate the darkness of the underground river. Swiftlets, their nests built high on the cave walls, dart through the air, their calls echoing through the chambers. Monkeys, their silhouettes framed against the sunlight, swing through the trees of the underground forest. Unusual insects, their bodies adapted to the cave's unique environment, scuttle across the cave floor. Son Doong is a reminder that life finds a way, even in the most unexpected places. Section 5. Millions of years in the making. The story of Son Doong is a tale written in stone, a testament to the relentless forces of nature. Over millions of years, the Rao Thuong River, flowing over soft limestone, carved out the cave's vast chambers. As the earth shifted and moved, sections of the cave ceiling collapsed, creating massive skylights that allowed life to flourish within. Stalactites, formed by dripping water over millennia, hang like chandeliers from the ceiling. Their intricate formations a testament to the slow, steady passage of time. Son Doong is a time capsule, a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past. Section 6. The journey begins. Reaching Son Doong is not for the faint of heart. It's a journey that requires physical and mental fortitude, a true expedition into the unknown. The trek begins in Phong Nha, Kabang National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. From there, it's a 2-day hike through dense jungle, crossing rivers and navigating challenging terrain. The reward for this arduous journey is a glimpse into a hidden world. The experience is both humbling and exhilarating, a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world. Section 7. Guardians of the Giant. Protecting this fragile ecosystem is paramount. Access to Son Doong is strictly regulated, with only a limited number of visitors allowed each year. These restrictions are essential to minimize the impact of human presence on the cave's delicate environment. Visitors must follow strict guidelines, such as staying on designated paths and refraining from touching the cave formations. These measures ensure that Son Doong remains a pristine wilderness for generations to come. Section 8. The future of Son Doong. As we continue to explore Son Doong, we are constantly reminded of how much more there is to discover. New species are being found, hidden passages are being revealed, and the mysteries of this underground world continue to unfold. Scientists and explorers are working tirelessly to unlock the secrets held within Son Doong's depths. Their discoveries will not only deepen our understanding of this unique ecosystem, but may also provide valuable insights into the history of our planet. Section 9. An unforgettable journey. A journey into Son Doong is more than just an adventure, it's a life-altering experience. To stand beneath the Earth's surface, surrounded by the immensity of the cave, is to feel a sense of awe and wonder that is difficult to put into words. It's a reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. As you emerge from the darkness and back into the sunlight, you carry with you a newfound appreciation for the hidden wonders that lie beneath our feet. The memory of Son Doong, a world lost and found, will stay with you long after you leave its embrace.